Hello everyone, welcome to the Success Coach. Today, I will teach you how to create a drawing app. But it's not just an ordinary drawing app. It's going to be a drawing app where there's going to be no buttons. The only thing that there's going to be there is your mouse, whatever you're drawing, and the keys. So whenever you click on the screen, you're going to see some path following your mouse, which is going to be an ellipse. So why don't we just write ellipse? By the way, this is a JavaScript. So we're going to make it 20, 20, 20, 20. That way it's like in the corner. And now you can just see like a faint circle in the corner, right? Now I'm just going to write no stroke, which is going to make it have like no outline. So now you can't see it. Now we're just going to change the color to red. Now we have our basic circle, which is what we're going to be using to draw. But we're not ready yet. We still need to write an if statement saying if mouse is pressed, then make sure this ellipse is found wherever the mouse is. Okay, so we're just going to replace the 20 and then the other 20 with mouse X and mouse Y. Because mouse X is the X coordinate of your mouse. Mouse Y is the Y coordinate of your mouse. Now you probably can't really see the ellipse moving with my fingers, with my mouse, because we haven't had the if statement yet. So if the mouse is pressed, then what will happen? If mouse is pressed, we have to add the semicolons. And then we're just going to bring the ellipse into the if into the if place right there. And then, what's next after we do that? Do you think after this it's just going to start working automatically? No, that's not what's going to happen. You need a draw function so that it can draw this. If you don't add it, nothing is going to happen. So we're just going to move this inside the draw function. And now we just need to indent everything. Now if we click, see, now we created a basic drawing app. And now let's say that we want to change the color because not everyone likes the color red. Well, another color people like is blue. So maybe if we press a key, then it's gonna draw blue. That seems like a good idea. Okay. This is cool color. And then maybe right there we could that right there we could maybe add a rectangle where we could write blue, and then if we click on that, maybe we shouldn't add that. Okay. So now let's see if it still works. Okay, it works. So here's the problem with it. Whenever we see, if you look at the drawing, you can see still some of the ellipses, right? Yeah, you can still see the ellipses. Well, maybe people aren't going to write that fast. So the color we're going to use is R for red and then B for blue. So right in the code, let's write an if again, but it's not going to be for the mouse is pressed. It's going to be if key this time. If key is pressed, then what will happen? We need to make sure that we need the semicolons there. Okay. If key is pressed, we need a ellipse. Again, it's going to be mouse X and then mouse. Oh, we also need a fill. Okay, it's gonna be blue this time. Okay, make that 0. And then we're gonna put in mouse X, and then comma mouse Y, and then comma 20, and then 20. And then we also need the semicolon. Okay, now we're just gonna bring in the fill inside the draw function, just in case, just in case we are trying to, write another thing with another fill up there, and then it's gonna be red. Okay. So I think the reason why the why it wouldn't work put whenever I pressed a key in the console was probably because I didn't put it in the draw function. Remember, everything put in the draw function will be drawed. Now let's see. Okay, we have some red. Yes, it works. Now we have some blue too. And now we can draw with red and blue, which is perfect. So, that is all what we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode.